This video will show you how to save money and improve your health by reducing household waste. We're going to show you 5 fast and easy tips anybody can do, and tip number 4 can save you over $1,000, so stay tuned. Tip number 1, stop buying bottled water. You'll save hundreds of dollars. Tip number 2, start composting. It's super easy. Simply get a bin like this for your kitchen and start putting organic material in it. That's it. Tip number 3, get reusable bags and containers as opposed to disposable ones, which cost more money and cause more pollution. Tip number 4, use a reusable air filter for your home as opposed to a disposable one. So a reusable air filter breaks even just after 9 months, and after 10 years, you'll have saved over $1,000. Tip number 5, buy foods with little or no packaging. It's cheaper when you buy in bulk, plus you help the environment as less packaging, plastic, and cardboard ends up in landfills. Remember, start small, so just pick one of the tips and slowly incorporate it in your habits. Thank you for watching, and make sure you subscribe to the channel.